People love the idea of using someone else's following to build their customer base. But going from idea to putting this into action is too much for many of you, because you already have so many issues you have to handle. So we created this 4-part masterclass to help you get started with this idea. Or if you would like to partner with us, I would like to promote you to my list of 150,000 customers and growing. By the time you are watching this video, we have probably grown far beyond 150,000. In our first module, we are going to review the example of Elon Musk. You may be familiar with Valuetainment, who offered Tucker Carlson $100 million to join their network. However, because Elon posted Tucker's show on X once a week, $100 million would have been a pay cut for him. Then I'll show you how I did this doing nearly $15,000 from just 1 hour's worth of work. In our second module, I'll introduce you to Lynn and Annette, who did this without using technology, just paper and ink, to do $1 million over a 12-month period, all from referrals. In our third module, we'll show examples of others who successfully use this framework, including some research that shows 86% of self-made millionaires use this framework, including John Reese, who is your everyday working class hero, who used this to jump from $0 to $1 million in a 24-hour period using email. And in the last module, I'll show you how we use AI and a software that we call as an auto sales closing system, which is a system that does the selling for you as an incentive to partner with us. I want to invite you to continue on to our master class. You'll find the link below this video and take advantage of the free resources you'll find below, including our workbook, audiobook, and video program. One more thing, stay healthy, have a great day, and I'm glad I could help you.